Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is October 24th, 2019, and as part of a continuation to my greenhouse herb growing experiment over the winter time, and I'm also going to be doing vegetables and different things, I'm going to be planting some thyme, also known as thyme. It kind of depends on where you live at for how they pronounce it, from what I've seen. Seeds here. Now this is common thyme, and I already have my seed starting mix mixed up here. And I did do a video on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix, and you can check that out. So I'm going to show you here how to plant them, so we'll be right back. Okay, so this is what thyme seeds look like right here. And now they tell you to put them about 1/4 of an inch deep. I like to surface sow mine. I'm going to be putting 2 seeds per container, so I just dropped it right in there. Another one here. Okay. With as small as the seeds are, I don't want to get too much soil over top of them if I would cover them. And when I spray these with my regular water, it's going to help to push them in the soil even more. So in about 14 to 21 days, these should start germinating for me. Now these are perennial in zones 4 to 8. Now I'm gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, but thyme is a very slow growing plant, and I want to be able to use the herbs over the winter time. So I'm going to finish planting these seeds here, and then I'm going to come back and show you what I do next with them. Okay, so I got all my seeds planted now. The seeds are very tiny, so I can't show them to you. But what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to take the back of my nail and I'm going to press over top of the soil surface. And what that's going to do is that's going to push that seed into the soil, so it makes nice contact there. Okay, here's one of the seeds right here. That real little teeny thing right there, that's kind of like that orangish color. I'm just going to take the back of my nail and just firm that in. And you can see the seed is still right there on the surface. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my water bottle here and I'm just going to gently spray over the surface here. And that's going to get that seed wet. Okay. And that's also going to help firm the seed into the soil more. And if it would happen to get covered a little bit, that's okay, because they say you can cover them with 1/4 of an inch of soil. I just prefer to plant mine on top because the seeds are so small. And when you're planting seeds, especially small ones, what can happen is your seeds can get pushed down too deep, and then they won't come up. So I find that, you know, surface sowing certain seeds works better than covering the seeds, because you can get them down too deep. So I'm going to just wait for these here to germinate for me, and then I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Oh, and you want to make sure that you label your containers. So I have these little plant labels here, and I've been using these all spring and summer, and I really like them. So they're going to be something that I'm going to continue to use, and I did do a review on my channel for them, so you can check those out, and I'm very pleased and impressed with how well they work. Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 30th, 2019, and I seen yesterday that my little thyme seedlings here, or thyme, depending on where you're at for how people pronounce it, are starting to germinate for me. So you can see the little baby green leaves right there from the seedlings. And there's more coming up. I have some more coming up over here. Now that one there didn't push the seed coating all the way off yet. And I have another one right there just starting to germinate for me. So just wanted to show you this quick update that they did start germinating. Now this particular herb here does not like overly wet soil. So you want to keep your soil moist but not soggy. You don't want to overwater it. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. Now when these get their true leaves, I will start feeding them, and I'll do a video on that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!